question for the fans. Do you have any place that you would like to go with Uno? Saan? Saan? Ibang sa parte? They want to bring you everywhere in the Philippines.
Everywhere in the Philippines.
Yes.
Maybe Cebu.
Very nice. Various places have been suggested, but I wonder, saan ba tayo mapupunta? The mystery elevator is going up!
Let's go! Dito na tayo.
So you have arrived at the 97th floor. Yes. You guys all know why it's 97, right? If you don't, why are you? Anyway, there are lots of fascinating things here. Oh no, where are we exactly?
네, 저희가 도착한 이곳은 바로 은우 편집샵입니다.
Well, we're finally here at Uno's concept store.
Walang baka naman natin ang Alright, that's right. This floor is dedicated to our Unu, who was born in...
37.
Perfect, very good. And it's very special one-day concept store filled with custom items tailored especially for our one and only guest, Chamu. Perfect! So actually, the items prepared here are quite special. Excited na ba kayo makita yung mga items, guys? They are personally recommended by the Arohas that would suit Uno's taste. Do you have any particular points that you consider important when shopping? Mga tanong.
그때 필요한 거
Well, pabago-bago every time na kailangan, it just changes.
Ay, you know what's not going to change our love for you? But it's true, right? It's true.
Yes.
Alright, so let's see if there are items that would fit Uno standards. Props, please come to the stage. Okay. Yay.
오,
Are you ready? Would you like to check this out?
와우.
So we can clearly see that these items are labeled clean and very you. It's your item. So please take a look. If you would like to see it, show it.
Alam na namin yan. Yan talaga yung pinakagusto namin.
Broadcaster program, Golden Bell.
Yes, actually. Do you have anything that catches your eye so far?
Ikaw po.
What, for the first one? Select the first one that catches your eye.
I think there's nothing that I like.
Ay!
Oh.
You have to choose.
I'll choose one. Aroa's gonna choose. First one, pant.
Yes po, please wear it.
Crown.
Yeah. I think it's the same.
Ba't tiara yun?
Third one, Golden Bell.
Yes, that's right. But
Which I'm gonna choose.
Crown.
one, two, or three.
Oh. Crown.
One, two.
First, okay. Actually, you may
Oh,
once you've chosen the first one. Would you like to try it?
Trying.
Oh no! Like hold it and everything. Check it out.
touch mo.
There's no such thing as free in this world, right? Pero naman, we're not gonna ask, hindi naman natin siya sisingin ng pera, di ba? Instead, we have prepared some missions for you. like, we will let you know how much it is. What's the cost? Okay?
Right?
Alright, so please show us the price tag for these items. Price reveal, please.
I think 300 na ata yung cost. Nakaano.
Ay! Okay. Handa ka na bang sumagot ng tanong?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Ready na siya.
Yes.
So he has three questions to answer, 3 TMI quests. The first question is, is there anything you really want to brag about to Aroha secretly, recently, to Aroha's recently?
Recently. Eh? Wrong.
Wow! Sinong gumawa ng magmat?
Recently.
Oh.
Ako pa talaga yung nagkamali. Ano yung mga ba yan? Itama niyo.
Recently. 좀 부끄럽긴 하지만
Well, it's a little embarrassing, but
Yes.
little
Go
embarrassing,
on.
not embarrassing, but I think last night my drama 많은 분들이 봐주셔가지고 뿌듯했어요.
well, so it's not embarrassing, but last night, masaya ako kasi marami na panood ng aking drama.
Yes!
Sa mga nanonood ng drama niya.
Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Can I ask?
Yes!
What was the last episode? Tell me.
Mamaya tayo mag-post sa loob. May libreng kape ka pag correct answer. Alright. Is that what you want to know? Okay, perfect. Now, second question. How do you immerse yourself in crying scenes?
I think there's no know-how, but I think just concentrate on my character and
So, ano?
concentrate on my character.
Yes!
May follow-up question ka ako, pero parang ayoko ng sagot mo. Sapat na yung sagot na yun. Are you guys satisfied with that answer?
Yes!
And last question, I'm sure your Filipino fans would love to know about this. Third question. Aha! Any water
Anything
sports
basta
that you
topless
want
po
to
siya.
try? Oh, wrong spelling again.
Basta
Trying. Wrong space.
Anything ko, basta topless po siya.
Scuba diving. And attitude.
Ow!
Yes.
There's a lot of really good scuba diving spots. Very good.
Let's go together.
Even those who are afraid of the sea will go scuba diving for you. It's amazing. Scuba diving in the Philippines is amazing. Well, now that you have answered the questions, the TMI questions, thank you very much for your answers. But the Aroha has a wish actually. There's Aroha's wish. Okay. So while wearing I'm so sorry. While wearing those cap headbands and paws,
Yung puso po namin.
they want to hear you say, Roha, just look at me. If not, I will be upset.
Diyos ka, Lord.
In Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Yes!
Ano, bahasa, hiyaw.
Luha, man, tampo ako. magtampo ako.
Ah!